Hello guys, welcome. So in this video I'm going to teach you 6 tricks in Microsoft Word. The first one is about double sorted lines in Microsoft Word. To do that, all you have to do is place the equal sign 3 times and place enter or hit enter on your keyboard. There you have it. You are having double sorted lines in Microsoft Word. The second one is about that single solid line in Microsoft Word. To do that again, tap dash 3 times and hit enter. And then the third one is about that single dotted line. So to do that, you hit the star button 3 times and hit enter again. The other 3 are about symbols. So I'm going to teach you how you can write that email symbol, and then the phone symbol, and then the location symbol. For the email, to do that, you hit 1 F 4 E 7 and place Alt and X to activate the email symbol. There you have it. The other symbol is about the phone symbol. To do that, you hit 2706 on your keyboard and place Alt and X to activate. The last one is about that location symbol. To do that one, you hit 1 F4 C D and Alt plus X on your keyboard. There you have it. Those are the 6 simple tricks that I wanted to teach you in this Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time. Keep looking out for more. See you next time. Bye bye.